So first part of the practice of Dawa Janse, the fivefold teachings of Dawa Janse, is the vision is a mind. So what is the vision? Vision is something that we have in our mind, in our head. For example, the vision of fear, a vision of 5 negative emotions which is related to the fear, the pains which are caused by these 5 poisons and which is primarily caused by fear. They all are our inner visions. And we have these experiences because of many reasons. Because we have a foundation, something called like a conceptual karmic body, or we can sometimes look at that aspect of that as a pain body. So conceptual karmic body creates a conceptual pain body. And this conceptual karmic body, it's not only individual, but sometimes it can be a collective. We have a conceptual karmic body, a collective with our family members. So we have a pain body, a collective pain body with our family members. We have a collective pain body with the country that we are part of. So we share this collectively or individually. So because of this, sometimes all our fears are also not necessarily, it's only part of yourself. It's part of a bigger collective situations. So if you look at either it's a collective one or individual one, let's look at that vision. Look at closely. In this very moment, my fear, my negative emotions, 5 poisons related to that fear, my pain and confusions related to that fear, my situations that are causing some pains to other people, which is also related to my inner fear. You can see many layers of your fear right now, this very moment. I'm not talking about the past. I'm not talking about the future. I'm talking about this very moment in your life. So this is like inner vision. So if sometime if you look at it closely, there's nothing. This very moment you can be happy as you can be. You can be enthusiastic as you can be. You can be energetic as much as possible. But somehow your conditions, your habit, you choose to awake that fear, you choose to dwell into that fear, and you choose to suffer through that fear. But we have to change that by knowing this is what happening to us and this is what we are contributing to this to happen. So with the first part of the practice, just you sit in a comfortable position, you close your eye, you look at that vision. Just say, vision is a mind. Just look at those images. Vision is a mind. My vision of my fear is just my mind. My mind is creating these visions. So what you do, you can just say a few times, just to remind yourself, and then you internally look closer to it. Closer, closer, closer. As if you're looking at the flower, you're looking closer, you're looking closer, you're looking closer. So with the sense, you're looking closer. Internally, with the non-conceptual awareness, you're looking at closer, 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 closer. So when you look closer like this, what happens is those vision just dissipates like clouds dissipating in the sky. These clouds are dissipating because a powerful, subtle wind of your awareness is blowing it away. Therefore, those visions are clearing. And you don't see anything. At some point, you just don't see it. All these objects, these stories, just disappears. And then what is left? Simply the mind who is trying to find it, trying to watch where they are. It's only that mind is left, that awareness is just left. So there's nothing as an object to find, but the subject is just left without its object. Then that's what it means. Vision is the mind. I'm not finding what I'm looking for, rather I'm just finding who is looking at it. In this experience, what happens? You just feel like 40-50% of the fear, piece of your fear is just kind of dissolved. All the object and story related with that fear has just kind of diminished, dissolved. Your body, your spirit, your mind, your breathing, everything just became much lighter. And what do? You just rest in that lightness of the mind. Do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, depends on your ability to sit in the awareness. But if you are used to sitting in awareness, sit longer. But if you are not used to sitting in awareness, sit short but clear. There are many practitioners who sit long and unclear. It's better to sit short and clear. So even if it's a 5 minute, and that is a great beginning for you to develop. So what you can do is just simply repeat this exercise and find that a lightness and sit there as long as you can and repeat this again and again and again. So that is the first part of the practice.